I'm going on holiday in August. I'm going on holiday on August the 5th. On August the 5th. Let's say how we say the dates. What day is it? What date is it? Or we can ask, what day is today? What day is today? It is, this is our answer, no need to say the date is. It is or it's January the 3rd. Or is the 3rd of January. January the 3rd or the 3rd of January. Of January. Of is the preposition that we use in this case. So there are two ways we can say the date. We either say the name of the month first and then we say the number, or we first say the number and then comes the month. Once again, what date is it? It's January the 3rd. It's the 3rd of January. Now you can say when your birthday is. When is your birthday? My birthday is in August. Or my birthday is on August the 5th. Or my birthday is on the 5th of August. So remember, if we say only the month, we say in. We use the preposition in. But if we use both the month and the number, we have to use the preposition on. My birthday is on August the 5th. My birthday is on the 5th of August. And now let's see all the ordinal numbers. The first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, the 10th, the 11th, the 12th, the 13th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, the 17th, the 18th, the 19th, the 20th. So, let's see, what did we do? What you should memorize first is the first, the second, the third. The first, the second, the third. All other numbers are formed by adding th. For the fourth. And we always use the definite article with ordinal numbers. First, second, third. These are exceptions. All other numbers are formed by adding the suffix th to the cardinal number. Just pay attention to tens. Remember how they end. 20, 30, 40, etc., etc. What we do here is this. We change y into I and then we add eth. ETH. 20th. 20th. 30th. 30th. 40th. 40th. Etc., etc. And how we write the ordinal numbers? We write the number, let's say 1, and then we add 2 letters. The last 2 letters, the first 1, and then comes ST, the first. Second, number 2, and then comes ND. The third, number 3, RD. And with all other numbers, we write the number and then we write TH. These 2 small letters signify that this is not a cardinal number, but an ordinal number. And now let's see how we say the years. What year is it? What year is it? With years, we usually divide them into two. For example, 1989, 1989, or 1674, 1674, or 1999, 1999, or 2000, 2000, 2001, or just 2001, 2005, or just 2005, 2017, 2024. Now let's see how we write the dates. So, what date is it? It's August the 5th, 1989. August the 5th, or the 5th of August. You can pronounce them both ways.